This is what I got. The reason why I got this one here because it's $30. Not only that, it's the fact that I'm a new I'm not really too good with RC planes, and I want to get something that simple, that is cheap, because I had purchased not one of these, but one of those the one that don't have gyros, the one that's not like stabilized or ready for you. The one that I had before is all manual, and that thing didn't even last. One flight's all destroyed. But this one right here, it has that stabilized gyro, so it'll do automatically while you're in flight. So that's a good thing. And this one comes with, it's already ready to fly, and this worth like $30. So yeah, what to expect. But the quality here is, you know, it has that little foam, the good material that they use for parrot, disco, or any other stuff. Well, I'm saying that because I do want to get the disco, but I just don't have no experience with fixed wing or airplane, you know. So if I do have a good successful for this, maybe later on I'll get something like the parrot disco. I like it, but the problem about that one is pretty big. If they have a disco like this size, it'd be really awesome. You know, it's just to go, you can take it with you, and like I said, portability is king to me, and like I don't have a field to fly this, but I'm gonna go ahead and try out and see what's all about. But anyway, this is what I get from the box. So I got the plane itself, I got the wing, and I got one of those these two motors here are stabilized, and it comes with the back wing also, and you get the screws here, and you'll get extra propellers and a charger for it. And they have this let's see, you had this battery here, and it's 37 milliamp, 450 milliamp on this guy here, so I guess it's good. And what else can we find? And this is the controller. But anyway, guys, this is my first flying with this guy here, and I'm gonna go ahead and see if I do any successful flying this. So if I do, then maybe I can go ahead and, you know, get myself an upgrade or anything. But I'm gonna see how this thing flies. And I also have this camera here, the SQ what's that, 12, pretty lightweight. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top, and hopefully it's gonna get me some footage from it. And that's it. So $30, man. Let's see. Let's see if this is worth the money or time or whatever. But anyway, yeah, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I just want to see, you know, how this guy performed. Like I said, this is my first RC plane that I actually gonna show you guys, because I haven't really experienced enough to pilot this, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and see and try it out. But anyway, thanks again for watching.